In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your make.com subscription. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the make.com homepage. Once you're there, look for the Login button in the top right corner. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually a Forgot Password link that can help you reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. To manage your subscription, you need to look for your account settings. This is often represented by your profile picture or your initials at the top right of the page. Click on that and a drop-down menu should appear. From there, select Settings or Account Settings. Inside the Settings menu, keep an eye out for the Billing or Subscription tab on the left-hand side. Click on that. This section contains all the important information about your current plan, including any details regarding your billing cycle and payment methods. Now, there should be an option that reads something like Manage Subscription or Cancel Subscription. Click on that. A new page will load with information about your current subscription and the features you've been enjoying. Here, you'll likely see the option to cancel your subscription. Before you proceed, make sure to read any notes or warnings that may appear. It's really important to understand any conditions that may apply to your cancellation. For instance, some platforms will mention whether you could lose access immediately or if you'll retain access until the end of your billing cycle. If you're ready to cancel, look for a button that says Cancel My Subscription or a similar phrase. When you click that, you might be prompted with a confirmation window asking if you're sure about your decision. This is a way for make.com to ensure that cancellation was indeed intentional. Just confirm your choice by clicking the appropriate button, usually labeled Yes, Cancel, or Confirm. After you confirm, you should receive a notification or an email confirming that your subscription has been canceled. If you don't see this, I recommend checking your spam or junk folder, just in case it was filtered incorrectly. It's important to have this confirmation for your records. Now, if you decide that you might want to use make.com again in the future, don't worry. Your account will still exist even though you've canceled your subscription. If you ever decide to return, you can easily log back in and choose a new plan whenever you're ready. To wrap things up, remember that canceling your subscription doesn't delete your account. It just stops any recurring charges. If you have any issues during this process or if something seems unclear, make.com typically has a support team or a help center that can assist you further. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more content.